Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all well and staying home and staying safe. Um, okay, so this is finally finished. There's some pages I can work on in the future if I want, but for now, this is finished. Finally, my pudding box journal. Oh, okay. So this is going to be a flip through. You've already seen me. This is the front cover of the box. Just open that up. There you go. And on the spine, I added this filigree. And that's the back. I didn't do anything special on the back. Sorry about my voice. It was fine this morning, and now it's in and out. Anyhow, as you can see, it's pretty chunky. There's two signatures in there, and I added a butterfly charm on there. That's the ball pin. That'll keep, so that when it's open, I don't lose the lobster claw closure on this. Anyhow, now let's see if I can open it without difficulty. So there, that was pretty easy. There. So that's the inside front cover. That's a so that I don't lose lobster claw. That's why I've attached it to the ball pin. Oh wow. Sorry about this. My throat. I don't know. Anyhow, so there's a pocket here, the front cover. Okay. And this is a cover of the first signature. There's a pocket here. And the inside cover of the first signature. Okay. 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 This was a tea bag envelope that I had decorated. And it's a pocket, as you can see. Okay. And it flips up. Okay. There. And there's a tuck spot here, as you can see. Okay, open it up. Okay, so that's this is part of the tea bag, the closer part of the tea bag envelope, and I left that as like another tuck spot. Okay, and here's the other page. Okay, there's a tuck spot here. Okay, just did some stamping on here. This is tea stain paper. I just did some stamping and some corner stamps on this page, so you can write on. And then the back of it. Okay, this is just what was it? Oh, this was a like a bill. Sorry. Okay, and the other side I just put lines so you can write. On this page here, I did a pocket I made with what do you call it? With tracing paper. There's a tag. That's a piece of washi tape. That's a piece of washi tape, and I did some stamping on it. And yeah, okay, and that's just a paper clip, and this is a pull-out. Okay, and I just put a, sorry, I did some stamping on here, and you can't see there's a sticker of a typewriter there. Okay, just Tim Holtz paper doll. This is a piece of ribbon I added here, and this is washi tape along the top with the stars on it, and the paper doll standing on. Okay, this is an envelope, one of the envelopes that I made. And I did a video on that. There. You could stuff some stuff in there. And this is just a napkin that I decoupage on there. And that's the back of the, this is for, oh wow, this is for you can write on. This is a message paper, message slip. There, full message memo. And this is just an image that I added on. Sorry, I added on the, oh my gosh. Hang on a second. I'm going to try taking some water. It might help. Hope that helps. There you go. That image I got from a travel brochure. And here, that's a piece of fabric. And it's a pocket. Okay, and it's just somewhere where you can do some journaling here. And on here, I did some stamping on there with pen nibs. You can see that. That's the center of the signature. Okay. So I haven't decorated here, so I'm leaving that open for a future. And here's a pocket. There. And some washi tape. There. Okay, just area that you can a to-do list if you want. Okay. And I just decorated the back piece of lace and a photo that I fussy cut out. And I just backed on the back of it. I backed it with what do you call it? Cheesecloth. Okay, an area for you to write on. And here's just an image from a travel brochure also. And this here, that's also that's a tuck spot. Okay. And this is the back of the pull-out. This is the other side of the pull-out. And I put the arrow on. And there's a Brad on there. And there's the owl. It's an owl sticker. Okay, and that's burlap. And there's set on the music sheet, music paper. That's a writing area. And here, this is pages for you to write on if you like. Okay. I stapled it on and then I just hid the staple with a piece of paper. As you can see on the back, I haven't put anything on there yet. Did some stamping on that page. And here's also another pocket, as you can see. That's that's it. That's the first signature. Now the second signature. There's the cover of it. Let's open it up. And there's a pocket here I made. Okay, this is washi tape, the background. And I just just embellished it with a piece of lace and a piece of washi tape. Okay, and this again, this is also the envelope of a tea bag that I decorated, and this is just a little something in there, full stamp that I made. This also flips up, and there's also a pocket here. That's the back of it, of the tea bag envelope. And this again, this is a tuck spot here. Okay, that's the back of the tea bag envelope. Okay, and here, there's a pocket here, tuck spot here. That's part of the napkin that I decoupage there. There's a writing spot, journaling spot here. And again, this is a little pocket that I made with, God. This one, I think I did it with parchment paper. There, little tag. And I put some lace on the edge of the page. Okay. Okay. On this page, I did a belly band. There. Okay. And just I place the journal. And paste the journal. And I did a Tim Holtz paper doll. And I did a stamp of a street sign. And here, there's also a tuck spot on the back of the page. And here again, there's some pages for you to do some journaling on or whatever you like to do. Okay. Okay, and here is an image. I don't remember where I got the image from. This is like, okay, just want to show you. This is a tuck spot. Okay. Now, this here, also, if you're going to put something there, okay. Just a journaling area in there. And I didn't decorate this yet, but just leaving that open if you want to put a photo or something there. That's the back of it. Okay, just a journaling area if you want. Just stamp a couple of mushrooms on there. That's the center of the second signature. I stamped on some pen nibs. There you go. there's a tuck spot here. I just added a piece of black and white polka dot, you can see, ribbon. So it's a tuck spot. Okay. Okay, on this page I did a belly band with a ticket. Okay, and again, that's at the bottom of the page. It's like a little tuck spot there, so it doesn't fall through. On this page here, I did a double pocket, one piece of paper, as you can see. Okay, so you put a tag or something in there in the large pocket, and then in front of it you just add that's a small pocket there. And this is a tuck spot here. And on this side, I don't know if you guys can see that, I stamped an image of a unicorn. I don't know if you can see it. Too much light. Shiny. Anyhow, and this page, I did some stamping in the corners. Same thing here. And here, this is one of the envelopes that I made. So you can add whatever you want in there. And just enjoy the journey. Just a journaling area. And here, I just put some napkin, decoupage. And here, this page, there's a tuck spot. And this here, this is labels that I had in previous video that I had colored with some sprays and did some stamping on them. Okay, and here is another pocket. Okay. And I stamped an image of a cactus, and I colored it. And that's the back page of it, of the signature. And on the back cover on the back inside cover of the pudding box, this is a belly band. Okay, that's a belly band. Okay, and this here is a little envelope. I stuck a little envelope on there that I had made. So it's another place to add a little something in there. So that's it. Finally, it's finished for the most part, as you can see. How chunky it is. That's what happens with it. Anyhow, I hope you like that. And please stay safe, stay healthy, and listen to what the government's telling you, and listen to the scientists and the doctors, okay? Anyhow, so give me a big thumbs up. Yeah, that's my thumb. That's my thumbnail. Anyhow, please subscribe, share, like, and please leave me a comment. There you go. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, comment. Okay. And I'll see you next time. Ciao.